Good morning, JGL family. Today is April the 17th, 2019. And today we kick off a awesome, super duper weight loss journey. Now I'm on my way, my co-worker AJ, just seen him pass in the background, picking me up this morning. We got a health assessment. We got a 2-mile walk. We're doing it twice today. And I'm going to give you some thoughts about why the round 2 of this weight loss journey about to happen. You about to see a whole lot of exciting things in this vlog, hopefully, if it go out the way I planned. Anyway, y'all, here we go. So, peace, love, see you later. All right, y'all, so I told y'all that me and AJ,
what's up?
You gotta hold the wheel. You gotta hold the remote.
I was about to say, I gotta hold the wheel.
You got to hold the wheel because guess what? We both riding with no seatbelt on. Hold on. All right, so today, let's see, can I get it set right? Let me get it set right. All right, so today, AJ and myself are in the town of Cary. We got a 2-mile walk. And I think y'all already started the 2-mile walk with, what was it? The town hall.
That was a 1-mile walk.
That was 1 mile?
Yep.
So when we do it at 12, it's gonna be 1 mile too?
Yep.
All right, so anyway, I misinformed y'all. I told y'all that it was gonna be 4 miles a day, so I guess it's gonna be 3.
You can make it 4 if you want to.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
Okay. So I never did a town hall walk. I didn't work with Public Works. And what's funny is that AJ the one that helped Cary me last year. So if you go back on my timeline on Instagram, you know that was last year, but we're excited. And the main thing is, like I said, this is about to be a journey about weight loss. All right, health motivation, because you know I need it for my own self. But I think we all need that push and that extra thing. But AJ,
where were you at 3 months ago? The weight?
330 something.
Where you at now?
342.
So you going up?
I went up, yeah. My anniversary weekend was rough.
Okay.
My anniversary weekend was rough. And that's the thing, because my max weight was 375.
Right.
And so when last year, my lowest weight that I've been in years was 327. Okay. So I know better, and I know it's good what time it is. So that's why I want to do it. So y'all, what I was telling y'all was I'm gonna document everything. We're gonna do a weekly scale. I ain't gonna do it every day. I'm gonna do it weekly, maybe every 2 weeks. But I'm gonna document it. We're gonna upload it to YouTube. Meal plans, meal prep, counting carbs, counting calories, all that. I'm gonna do all that and show you guys. We gonna walk together. And so any comments we have, leave them below. But me and AJ, we about to clock in to work in about 10 minutes or maybe less.
I'm running late for my health coach.
Oh, what time you supposed to meet your health coach?
7.
All right. So we out here. We about to do our 2-mile walk. Is it 2 miles, fellas?
Yeah.
2-mile walk. Joe G, K, who else in the back? Darius.
God bless.
All right. You know, we all out here. The whole town. That's up. That's up. All the guys. You know what I mean?
Oh, Lord.
My boy Hunter in the back. Oh, what's up, dog? How's he doing, man? Huh? Good, man. Who threw up a gang sign?
Yeah, but you see like.
But yeah, man, we
come up on you now.
We got a good crowd out here today, man. So, amen. I see you when I pass out.
Is Jim Hallow's last treatment of his craziness and messy dealing. So I'm glad we're all out here. While we can say we're all dedicating this to our own health and fitness and stuff. We're all fit as can be, but let's dedicate to this day's walk to Jim as he laid up on a couch with a needle in his arm getting an IV of nasty poison. So, but he's doing well, and he's supposed to be done tomorrow, and then they'll do all their scans and hopefully be moving towards some good health for the rest of his life. So this is for Jim today, all right? So that means you gotta keep up the pace. We'll do what, about a 5-minute mile.
Yeah, sounds good. Sounds good.
That's the pace?
Right. 3 minutes a mile, 3-minute mile, a 5-minute mile, hit it.
So, that's all I got. Thanks for doing this. We're doing this for the next 2 Wednesdays too, so you'll hear more. But let's again, work is not important right now. It's more about being together and walking. Work is not important. Matter of fact, no one can take the rest of the day.
Okay. Make sure you got it on film, bro.
10-4.
Never look for a
Ice cream. So the crowd kind of, everybody that broke off going their own pace now. I think I'm at 1 mile already. We're about to build it. So, but it's good. It's good to give us an opportunity to get out here and burn some calories. And it's a good time to start, to jump start the health process. You know what I'm saying? Jump start a health motivation. So at the moment, I'm good. We good. A lot of my peers is up ahead or some fell behind, but it doesn't matter. It's how you finish the race. All right, peace. All right, so it's all downhill from here, and about to head back to the shop. So after that, oh my bad, fellas. I'm sorry. I can't multitask.
Oh, man.
But yeah, y'all don't mind me. Yeah, watch out for that one. Y'all don't mind being the camera, do you? Y'all good?
Yeah, whatever you gotta do.
All right. Anyway, like I said, we was all downhill from here, and it wasn't matter, how you finish, and I think it was a good, like I said, I think it was a good thing for us this morning, and we got 2 more to go throughout the month. So yeah, see you guys back at the shop. Thanks, thank you. Yeah, I hit him with the tree earlier. While watching. AJ, what you just do, cuz?
2.5 miles.
Hey, my buddy AJ came back. When them boys was running down that hill, I don't know if I didn't get them. They ran all the way up and came back downhill. Hey man, like I was telling them, AJ, that
Wastewater.
that's right. I was telling them, man, this is a good thing how we can go ahead and use this as for anybody to especially for us, but to use this as motivation to go ahead and kick off whatever healthy lifestyle you want to start.
That's right.
I think like I said, man, this is good right here.
I don't know, but I've been told public works got a whole lot of soul.
Yeah, we'll see how much soul we got this afternoon when it's time to get off. How you feeling, Chris?
I'm good, bro.
All right, okay.
It broke a little sweat, but we good.
Okay, broke a little sweat.
A little sweat.
All right. Okay. What are you boys?
That ain't no month. That's every paycheck. 153 when we taking out. Right. See that? Like if I had the family, even with the awards, at 229.
Jeez, yeah, because I'm paying 29 right now.
Yeah.
Tom,
Hey, we'll go
how much
from-
you do, man?
153, even with the awards.
That's crazy. Hey,
Yeah.
that's how much you paying? You see your numbers. You have to record it.
Yeah, hold on a second.
So you did 2 laps.
I didn't go. No, I just went to Cary Parkway and back. Huh?
2 miles, 2.3, something like that.
Everything's like a mile.
2.25. From the front out here down back and this way, I had
I've been sitting here waiting for y'all the whole time.
Yeah, because you ran back. Focus, dude. Yeah, that's good, Tom. Tom, how old are you, Tom?
59.
Tom, 59 years old and ran laps around these young folks, man.
What?
He ran laps around me, cause
Where y'all been at? Me and Tom, man.
yeah, we seen y'all, man. All right, y'all. Look, all right, check this out. This brother just got finished working out.
I'm eating a donut.
So now just the health assessment part. We got it in this room. And so I'm gonna show you what we got. I'm gonna show you what we got going on. All right. So basically, you gotta check all this, okay, which is personal. I don't think I'm gonna upload it on YouTube. Yes, ma'am. Oh, I got the same lady from last year. This is all right, YouTube. So JGL family, the guys are actually doing the next walk, and I know I jumped from the last scene. I was getting my health assessment, and the lady was like, this is my girl. I get her every year, and she was like, you're not gonna put your personal information on YouTube for everybody to see? I said, no. So I told her no. So I'm gonna try to be honest. I'm not gonna lie to her, okay? But trust me, I had good numbers. Cholesterol's low. My blood sugar was low. Man, got me up here about to renege on what I told this lady. How many papers it? Okay, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I'm happy about that. My BMI went down 2 numbers. 3 numbers. 3 numbers. Yeah, than what it was last year. So my blood pressure was great, excellent. My glucose was great. My cholesterol was great. I got some good numbers, and I'm very proud of myself because I have been working hard over the last couple of days. I'm tripping. Over the last couple of weeks, rather, since my last doctor's appointment to get my glucose numbers down. So my glucose numbers right now with fasting is like it says 140. I'm going for the 135 number because that is numbers for, like I said, with the type 2 diabetes, trying to keep that under control. So like I said, man, like the guys, we're at town hall right now, okay, and I'm waiting back just in case. I got one of the other guys I work with. He's on a call and all, so I'm just going to try to
424 base 1.
Try to hold it down for him. But man, today is great, man, and it's great. It's been enjoyable. We all came. A lot of guys, we came together. We've been just enjoying it. So, hey, our health is important. And like I said, I'll be 40 next year. Health is very important. And I want to see everyone to do great, to do better. Less stress in your life. Get the excess weight off your joints. There's so much stuff. But the next video, it probably will be a meal prep video. I'm gonna try to go shopping with my wife. I don't know because we're going out of town this week, and I I will be in Asheboro, North Carolina over the weekend, so I don't think I'm gonna do too much grocery shopping. But if I do go grocery shopping, I'm gonna try to make sure I can vlog it, and I'm gonna start getting back into my meal prepping and everything, man. Just so I can show you. There's many YouTubers that's doing it. I'm not the only one that's doing it, that's gonna do it. But for those who personally know me and who has been following my channel, I'm doing this for my audience, for my subscribers, for people that hit me up on Facebook, Instagram, for you guys who follow me and support me. I'm doing this for you. And for anyone else that comes and follows, subscribe behind, like, yo, I can look and see when that dude weighed 335 pounds, then he's weighing two something. We're gonna hit that 280. We're gonna hit that 280 because we're gonna hit that 280. And I'm not gonna front. I'm using you as motivation because I'm making a promise to you that I'm gonna hit 280. Okay? So anyway, you said, well, why 280? 280 is just the goal number. Once we hit 280, we can go down. We're gonna go even lower. I will reveal once I hit 280. When I hit 280, I want to reveal to you my goal number. Alright, so anyway, I don't know where this vlog gonna end off at, but as of right now, I am gone. Peace.